BBC. What is the BBC? The BBC was founded in 1922, almost 100 years ago, and it is the oldest national broadcaster in the world. Since then, it has become a trusted news source for people everywhere and a symbol of national identity for British people. Broadcasting on radio, television and online, it is also the largest broadcaster in the world. Nowadays, BBC programmes are shown all over the world. Unifying the nation. The first BBC broadcasts were on the radio, but after World War II, it started broadcasting on television. At the time, many people didn't think that television would ever become popular. But in 1953, thousands of families hurried to buy television sets to watch the live broadcast of the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II. This event unified the whole nation and made the BBC an even stronger part of the British national identity. BBC programmes. The BBC is well known for its news reports and its current affairs programming, which help people keep up with what is happening both in the UK and abroad. However, the BBC is not just about the news. It also produces an exciting range of dramas, sitcoms and game shows, as well as hundreds of educational documentaries where viewers can learn about topics such as nature, music, sports and science.